Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've noticed that GCash Games is no longer available, let's break down exactly what happened and why it was removed. On August 16 at exactly 8 p.m., GCash officially suspended gaming access on its platform. This wasn't a random decision. This move came directly from the BSP. The BSP ordered all mobile payment apps, including GCash, to remove gambling-related features within 48 hours. Why? Because the regulators are raising concerns about the risks of online gambling and want stronger protections for e-wallet users. Following the order, G Exchange Incorporated, the operator behind GCash, advised users who still have gaming funds to coordinate directly with their licensed game providers to handle withdrawals or balances. So, in short, GCash Games wasn't just quietly removed, it was suspended after a BSP directive aimed at protecting users from gambling risks. And that's why you can't access it anymore. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.